corporations accountable din sa kanilang responsibilities.
Sir, dun sa issue ng quorum, ng conviction threshold, mas dumarami yung nagsasabi na baka dapat ibaba dahil hindi na 24 yung within the jurisdictional
Well, my
power.
opinion, it's malinaw ang Constitution. No? 3/4 of all members. So that is 16. So in my opinion, we have to follow the Constitution. No? And, sorry, 2/3, sorry, correction. 2/3 of all members. No? Very clear ang Constitution dyan.
Pero pag-uusapan nyo yan, sir. Is the Senate Impeachment Court open to probably a motion para ibaba ang threshold?
Well, I cannot predict kung anong mga I cannot predict kung ano yung mga issues na lalabas doon, but as far as I'm concerned, I will uphold what is written in the Constitution.
Sir, sorry, sa segue lang ako sa